Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan burritos. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need large tortillas, black beans, rice, and your choice of fresh vegetables like bell peppers and onions. We'll also use some spices to bring out amazing flavors. This recipe is incredibly quick, perfect for a weeknight meal, and offers a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy, plant-based option. Now, let's create our flavorful filling. Start by sautéing your diced onions and bell peppers in a pan with a little oil until they are soft and fragrant. Next, add your cooked black beans, seasoning them generously with cumin, chili powder, and a touch of salt. Stir everything together, allowing the flavors to meld. If you like, you can also add some cooked rice or a plant-based protein like seasoned tofu scramble. It's time to assemble your delicious burritos. First, warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds in a microwave or a dry pan. This makes them much easier to roll without tearing. Lay a tortilla flat, then spoon your rice, bean mixture, and any other fillings like salsa or avocado down the center. Fold in the two opposite sides, then tightly roll the burrito from the bottom up. This technique ensures all your yummy ingredients stay securely inside. Your amazing vegan burritos are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of vegan sour cream. They are perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner. If you have any leftovers, simply wrap them tightly and store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently in a pan or microwave. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.